Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a subgroup within a group in Keycloak using admin REST API. So let's get started. So I have running Keycloak with the help of this docker command on my local system. So here you can see it is already downloading it for me. So yeah, let's just wait for this to finish. Once this is done, I'll come back and show you the next step. So the next step is we just need to go to localhost :8080, and yeah, let's just wait for this to download, and once that is done, I'll just show you guys the next step. So we just have to go to localhost :8080. The username and password are admin as you can see over here. So we just have to use that particular credentials. Okay, so it is up and running. I'll just click on refresh over here. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay, it is still working. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, here I'll refresh, and here you can see I'm logged in. I'm redirected to the login page. I can just enter admin. I'll click on sign in. Now to use the admin REST API, first we need to generate access token. For that we require a client. So I can just go to the client section. Here I'll click on create client, and here I'll just name it as my client. Okay, I'll click on next. I'll enable client authentication. I'll check this direct access grant. I'll click on next again, and I'll click on save over here. Then do remember this client ID because we need to use that. Then go to credentials, and here you can copy this client secret as well. Then come back to Postman. First go to this particular API, first this API over here, and here first like I mentioned, our Keycloak instance is running on localhost :8080. That's what you have to use over here. If it is different for you, you will have to change it over here. /realms/ this is a realm name which is master by default. I have not created a separate realm, so I can just use master. /protocol /openid-connect /token. Okay, and here we have the client ID, so it was my client. Okay, here I will just change the client secret. Username and password was admin. So here you require an admin credentials user, and grant type is password. Now if I click on send, here you can see it has generated an access token for me, but it is only valid for 1 minute, so do make a note of that. Now to create a subgroup within a group, so first let's just create one group using Keycloak. You can create it from an admin REST API as well. I have created a separate video on that, but just to keep things simple, just go to groups, click on create group. So I'll just name it as parent group. Okay, you can create as many group as you feel like. I'll just click on create, and inside this I want to create a subgroup, right? But to create a subgroup, it requires a parent group's ID. So what I can do, first I can just run this API. So here again it should be localhost :8080 /admin/realms, and here the realm name should be master /groups. Okay, and here it should be the access token. So again I'll just remove this. I'll just click on send over here. Now the reason why I have generated the new access token is because the old access token has expired. Then here I'll just paste the access token, and I'll click on send, and here you can see I only had one group. That's why I'm getting only the parent group, and that was the name of my group. Now I can just copy this particular ID from this, and you will have to go to this particular API. Now again here I'll just have to use localhost :8080 /admin/realms, and here it should be the realm name, which is master in my case /groups, and here it should be the parent ID group. So I'll just remove this. I'll paste it over here /children. Then inside the body, here you will have to give some subgroup name. So I'll just name it as child group, or you can name it whatever you feel like. Okay, and inside headers, here you have to paste the access token. Now again the access token might have expired, so I will generate a new one just to be on the safer side. I'll click on send over here. Now again I'll just copy this particular part, command C to copy, come over here, and I'll just paste it over here. I'll click on send, and here you can see it has created the child group. If you don't believe me, just go to your parent group and refresh, and here you can see the child group has been created. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.